So today, on New Year's Day, my doll Catherine and I went to the American Girl doll store to get some stuff, and we'll show you what it is. So the first thing we got is Luciana, the new doll of the year for 2018. Let's open her up. So here we have Luciana and her galaxy print dress, a fanny pack-like purse, and then in here we have a necklace and a choker. So here we have a holographic hook choker, and you can just hook it together like so. And that's all this is. So let's go on to the necklace. Okay, so here we have a navy blue necklace with a star bead on it. So we've unhooked her from the box, but we haven't taken like the net out from over her hair, so let's do that. Okay, so here's Luciana. Now we have the book, the American Girl book on Luciana. Luciana Vega wants to be the first kid on Mars. So let's put on her necklace and choker. So, there we go. The choker's on, now we just have to put the necklace over her head. So she's got a streak of purple in her hair, and for me her bangs flip up. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. She has holographic boots, and this was all that was in the Luciana box. Let's get on to the rest of the stuff. So here we have Luciana's accessories. Let's get it open. So here we have a holographic backpack with a constellation graphic on it, with blue straps and a blue bottom. So here we have space food, freeze-dried ice cream. So it opens. Okay, there we go. And this is the ice cream. There we go. Okay, so next we have a little watch, or compass, I think. Compass watch thing. Yeah, the clear band. So, next we have a space camp graduation certificate. So it's a space camp award certificate. So that's cool. And here we have a star chart, which is pretty cool. And then finally we have a little space log. So that's all that was in Luciana's accessories. So here we have Luciana's stellar outfit. So let's get this open. So we have her jacket, which has the NASA logo on it, a star, and a robot. And it unzips and everything. So then we have her tank top, which has a Velcro back on it. So that's cool. And then we have her shorts, which have a little heart constellation on it. And then we have her shoes, which are galaxy print, and they're really cute. So that's all that was in here. And so here we have Luciana Visitor Center accessories. So let's get it open. Okay. So first up we have a NASA t-shirt with a Velcro back and the NASA symbol on the front. So here we have a bookmark with a rocket launch on it and the NASA symbol. And next we have a passport to explore space. And there's little stamps and a constellation. And there's multiple pages on here. So here we have a pamphlet for a space museum. Okay, so now we have a little space guy, an astronaut. So now we have some snapshots from space, and it's an actual book that has actual pictures and text. That's pretty cute. And then we have a little bag for it all. So you put it all in the bag, pretend you just bought it. So here we have Luciana's telescope projector set, and let's just get it open. So first we have the little tripod, and what's this? Oh, it's a smartphone. So here's a smartphone. There's two little screens in here. So here we've taken the phone apart into how you put those screens in. So we have the case, and then the back of the phone, and the front of the phone, and then the little screens, which are double-sided. So we have 4 different screens. A screen where you've searched up Pegasus, another screen where you've searched up the NASA website, I'm assuming, and then the home screen, and then a screen about going to Mars. So you just put them into here, like this, and I'm just going to put both of them in so I don't lose them. Here. Then you can put that back in, and put it back into the case. And then you have a phone with on the phone screen, and there's a little strap on the back so the doll can actually hold on. So the doll can hold the phone and like text on it or something. So that's pretty cute. Let's put her back in here. Okay, so next we have a little blanket. And it comes out to a nice size, and it has little constellations on it, and it has a galaxy print and stars, so it's pretty cute. So we have the tripod and the blanket, so now we need the telescope, so let's get that out. So we have the telescope, and it snaps in, and you have a little power button. And there's this little sticker on it, and it says seeing stars with a heart constellation on it. So I was most excited about this. How cute. So if you put 3 AAA batteries into the telescope projector, and you press the on button, you can switch between 3 different pictures that will project out of the front of it. We can't do it right now because it needs to be pretty dark to see it. So you can try it out yourself. So that's all the stuff we got for Luciana. And I'm really excited to have my Luciana doll and all the stuff that she has. So we got a few other things that weren't Luciana related, and we'd like to talk about those things too. So let's get on to that part of the video. So I brought my doll Catherine to the American Girl store, and we got her hair done and her ears pierced. So we got the waterfall hairstyle, and we got her ears pierced with a little blue earring, and I really liked it. They gave me this little bag, pretty cute, and we got a bunch of sets of earrings. for him. And we got a little doll care tips pack booklet, and that's all that we got with it. We also got this really cute bow on her head. So, yeah. So we got one more thing at the American Girl doll store, and it's Julie's rabbit. I wanted this because I have real rabbits, and we can open it. So we have a little basket for the rabbit, and we have the rabbit itself, just so cute. And we have little carrots for the rabbit, so let's open those things. And yeah, so that's a little bunny. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, leave a like, and please share and subscribe for more American Girl doll videos.